Ki Paidbah hapdeng sol Nongpoh menggal kejanmin kla Khihwin hadian bakadan kawai kapla balabu hapdeng surong bala Subaru bakade kapla badan bom namar amdan satya bakam trayaka nakaliang ki pulit ke ribhoi menda kidang ap ya Khihwin bom squad kabadang hiar na Shillong ban pentikna ya kade kapla lakade kabadan bom shisha ni
Xong rồi. Đi Suba mà đi Suba mà đi nó bài nó
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).